Hey guys, how are you? Chris Mortimer, the Yacht Hunter, with 3 of the cheapest, most effective solutions for you when buying your yacht and owning your yacht, just to save yourself a bunch of time, money, and aggravation. Yacht hacks. That's what we're gonna call this one. So, tip 1 is set up a separate email address for your boat. Start this during the search. That way, every bit of correspondence you have, every invoice, every bill, every service record, you have in one consolidated spot, so you don't have to spend time looking through it. When you eventually go to sell your boat, someone's gonna say, hey, can I get the service records? And you're gonna have them there, boom, ready to go, which reduces friction and which actually kills a bunch of sales not being able to produce these service records in a quick fashion. So, cost you nothing, super easy to do. In under 2 minutes you can have this done. Second tip, second hack is create a website for your particular yacht. By putting up information regarding your yacht in particular, you give yourself the option of someone walking by in the marina and saying, ooh, that yacht looks really nice. Even though my broker is showing me this one, and this one, I'd actually like to check that one out. Or maybe they want to get charter information and they're going to go directly through you instead of going through the charter broker that you're going to be paying 20%. So again, super simple, not very costly, very, very effective. Has to be done on every single yacht. And my third tip, a marina is a really trustworthy place. 99% of the time, your boat is going to be safe and you don't have to worry about people getting on the boat that shouldn't. But there always is that 1% chance that they may. So why don't we eliminate or reduce that? And to do so, instead of putting your keys tucked away on the side or right underneath the helm, depending on what type of boat it is, where everyone keeps their keys, put it in a lockbox. And being that it's the 21st century, 2018 now, put it in one of these Bluetooth lockboxes, which allows you to issue personal PIN codes for someone to access the lockbox. This allows you to track who was on the boat when, who put the keys away. In case they forgot to put it away, you know exactly who forgot to do it. If the electrician or the AC or the plumber shows up and they say, oh, I was on the boat for 8 hours trying to fix the issue, but you know they opened the box, took it out, and put it away 2 hours later, well, then you just audited them, and that's really, really effective. So again, 3 yacht tips, only because I've done this a couple times, learning what works and what doesn't work. Hope you find this information helpful. So be sure to like the video, subscribe, and head over to my website, www.theyachthunter.com, for more yacht purchasing information. So, as always, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy yachting, my friends.